guys, I just want to start this video by letting you guys know that I'm sorry for my mic quality. I did have my mic, but it's not working right now, so I resorted to my laptop mic, so sorry about that. I guess we're just going to have to deal with it for now. Anyways, let's get on to it. Now I'm going to show you guys 5 secrets that you probably did not know about your Windows 8 device. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into this one. Now, the first one's pretty complicated, and you can change the amount of rows that are on your start menu. Like, as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right now, but I can change that to as many as I want, and I think I'm going to change it to 3 because I kind of like this background and I want it to be smaller so I can see more of the background. So what you're going to want to do is go to desktop, and in the bottom left where you usually see that little start menu icon, just right click on it and go to run and enter in Regedit. Okay, yes. And then you are going to want to go to this specific place. You're gonna see a menu like this. You're gonna want to go to H key, current user, and then you are going to want to go to software, then to Microsoft, then to Windows, then to current version, then to immersive shell, and then to grid. And then you'll get this nice little menu here of files and stuff. And what you're going to want to do is click Edit, New, DWORD 32-bit value. And you're going to want to rename this. This is very crucial. You have to rename it this. Layout underscore maximum row count. That's what you need to do. Then you want to double click on that icon, click on decimal, and change the value to 3. And now that that is done, you want to click File, Exit, and you have to do that. Alright guys, so to make this go into effect, I do have to log out and my screen recording software will stop. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it now and log back in, and I'll start the video. So that is done. You can see that I do have 3 rows. It looks kind of funky, but I could probably tweak with it to make it look a little bit better. And I believe you can enter a maximum of something like 6 and a minimum of 3, I believe. So yeah, that's kind of cool, kind of a neat thing, and I'm just going to kind of leave this for the rest of the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to the second thing, and that's that you can make a this is kind of weird to say, but you can make a password with a picture, so I'll demonstrate that real quick. So you're going to want to go in the upper right, go to your settings, change PC settings, and sorry if this is a bit laggy, but I am running a lot of programs right now. You're going to want to go to users, change picture password. And I'm going to remove that. So I already had one, so just click create picture password. And first you have to confirm your first password, which I'll do. And as you can see, you choose a picture. So I just say I'm going to choose a random picture here. Open. Got some nice curtains in the background. And basically you're going to drag the position you want it. So maybe like right there. And then now you're going to draw 3 gestures, and they're just basically lines or circles or taps or anything. So my 3 gestures are going to be tap in the upper left, tap in the middle, and tap in the bottom. Pretty simple. Now I'm going to press O. Okay, never mind. I'm going to try again real quick. I'm obviously pretty challenged. So that's 1. Nope. Okay. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright. Now I have to... I did this totally wrong. Okay, guys, so now I have to confirm it. 1, 2, 3. You've successfully created a finish. So basically, when I do that... Basically, what's going to happen, I can't show you guys my lock screen because of the thing, but it's okay because this is what my lock screen is going to look like, what you're seeing right now. So basically, it's going to come up with a picture, and all you're going to do is type it in. I mean, click exactly what gestures you made. So, 1, see, I'd click 1 right here, 2, and 3. So that's kind of interesting, guys. Sorry I couldn't show you, but this is exactly what it's going to look like. It's going to have your name, up around here, and it's gonna have start picture password, and you're gonna type it in. So that's kind of neat. Alright, with that said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna head over to the desktop, and just give me a sec here. Open up a few tabs, and I'm gonna kind of show you guys like exactly what you can do on your start screen here. You can make app groups. It's kind of interesting, but as you can see right here, it says HP apps. It's kind of a better way to customize your screen. So what you're gonna want to do is use your cursor, go on the bottom right, you see the little zoom button, click on it, and it will zoom out. Now all you do is right click on a group and name group, and I'm gonna name this random apps and Z because I'm a gangster. Alright, and as you can see, it's renamed, and kind of a neat, interesting tidbit on how to organize and do that stuff. Go ahead and move on to number 4. Now, number 4 is going to be exactly kind of an interesting way on how to multitask with your device that is pretty interesting to use. So, as you can see, I kind of have a few things open here. I have the, let's say you're here opening your Chrome. You're browsing, on YouTube, looking at some awesome channels or whatnot, and yeah, so say you want to multitask and have two things on the same screen, and everyone's gonna say, oh yeah, you could do this in Windows 7, but you actually couldn't, because I'm gonna have internet or the Chrome as well as an application on the screen, and you could not do that in Windows 7 because there weren't applications. So you're gonna want to go to the upper left and then kind of click and drag down, and you'll get a double screen feature, so I can be tweaking with my settings and stuff while I'm doing this, and I could change whatever this is, and then I could just drag this back over, or I could, yeah, there's a lot of ways to use this, guys. Just another kind of accessibility, ease of use type of tweak and way to use your Windows 8 to its full capabilities. Alright, with that said, we're going to go ahead and move on to number 5, and this is also kind of interesting, but very related to the last one. So if I go ahead and close this up, go back up here and drag and move my cursor down, you'll see I have like this sort of sidebar here, and this is the apps that I'm currently running, and that would be PC settings and Chrome, but it won't show me that because I'm currently in Chrome. So if I go to the start menu, and I go up here, and I go down, maybe, possibly, no? Okay, I think I have to open up more apps. So if I open up the mail app, and I go home, and open up the messaging app and go home, and then I go back to the desktop, and I go in the upper left and drag down, you'll see I'll have all of these things that I did use. Now this is kind of using up a RAM. All of these things are running at the current moment. So if your RAM is high and your computer's getting a little bit laggy and you don't know exactly what to do, this is what you need to do. Now all of these are backgrounded apps. All you have to do is right click on the app, close, right click, close. It's kind of difficult, but it also helps you with your browsing and app using experience on your Windows 8 computer, because it helps slow down everything that's going on. I mean, I mean speed up everything that's going on, and it really helps you browse the way you want to. Alright guys, so that's kind of my 5 secrets about Windows 8. If this helped you at all, or if you didn't know a single one of these, then I would like you to click a like. Even if you knew all of them, click a like, because that'd be awesome. And subscribe, that'd be really helpful, guys. And thanks for watching, and I will see you